and he put the wrong length of shocks on.
Yeah, that tire's cooked.
I'm tired.
Hey, Travis here, Rods and Mods. So I got my daughter's truck in here today, and so we got a little problem with the shocks, and that happened because I don't always have time to work on my own stuff. We're so busy. I sent them to somebody else to do, and he put the wrong length of shocks on. And so what we got is, you know, there's a twin I-beam, the camber's off it, so it ruined her tires. And so we're gonna do it ourselves this time, so it's done the right way, except we're not gonna do it ourselves. She's going to do it. She's gonna change her own tires, and her own shocks. So
And my tires?
we're gonna put new tires on today too, so.
Okay.
Yep, you're gonna replace your shocks today, so but we got the right ones and we're gonna do it the right way. So let's get started on this project. There you go. I don't know why I'm doing it here.
Damn,
Get those tires off the ground. We gotta pull them. A little bit more.
How much, bro?
There you go. You got clearance. That's good.
Looking gym I've ever seen.
The what?
The coolest looking gym I've ever seen.
I haven't been to the gym in a while.
I'm gonna impact those wheels off. There we go. I'm gonna rip them right off. It's way better than using. I should just get out the old tire iron and just let you use that. Right, hard.
Like so.
Make it some hard work.
Have you ever changed a tire before?
I've never changed. I don't know how to change a tire. I actually have no clue. I just know that the little bolts or something come off.
Tire on the freeway yesterday.
Oh, good for you, Eldon. Good for you.
All right, let's get in here and grab one. I would start with one of these and see if they fit.
Oh, we're making me decide. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure it fits on there.
Watch, I get it first try.
First try. Wow. Is that reach? No, we need an extender. Get the shortest extender.
Which? This?
No, that's another inch. Let's see if that's an extender. Does that look like an extender?
Okay. Does it look like an extender as he calls it an extender? Is that in there right?
There you go.
Dang, okay.
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Squeeze
Are
hard.
you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. Wait, how are people twisting this off with their hands?
Or not. This one doesn't want to.
I mean, with like a little wrench or something. You gonna be doing this?
I feel like you could be like on a NASCAR team right now.
I am. What do you mean? This is not a race car? This is not a race car? There we go.
Okay.
Tires are heavy. Remember when I dropped the
Lift
weight?
and pull it out. It'll slide right out.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Oh,
Look at that. Bald. Bald.
ew. This is not princess activities, bro.
Wait. Ready?
What? What? Oh.
Hey-oh!
Wait, we can see my nail that's falling off.
Oh, I lost a finger in the war.
Oh my gosh, you. I don't know why I believe
That was so good. Hey, Knuckles, that was great. You're not gonna. Okay, she'll give it to me.
Four knuckles?
Yeah.
Four knuckles.
Oh my gosh. Where do I put this?
Okay, there we go.
Wait,
Look at
it's
that
like
tire.
leaning. It can't stay upright. Oh my gosh, look at my tire.
Camera was way off, and these twin I-beams, it's got to sit just at the right place, or it just jacks it up. So brand new on this side. These are only like a few months old.
Are they really?
They're not even that old. They're basically new tires. It just ate them away. If your
No, I
alignment's
swear
off,
this was
it
last
just
year's.
ruins them. So we're getting it right now.
My freaking tire doesn't even stay upright. Look at it.
Yeah, that tire's cooked.
I'm tired.
Get good footage of her helping, Cole. We're helping do the job.
I am helping very much so.
You know exactly what you're doing, right?
Very much. Are these my shocks? Like actually, are they?
Do you know what this is called? Right here.
The combobulator. I'm just
Do you
kidding.
know what this
No,
is
I have
called?
no idea.
Right here.
Does it say? It's the brand. No, I have no idea.
Do you know what this is called?
A bumper? I would know. I hit a barrier with it.
So these are a little bit hard to get out sometimes. So what we're going to do is use a pry bar to pop that thing through.
That thing.
Do a little tap.
Okay, we're tapping it.
Oh,
Okay, I don't know why I didn't think to
gotta
hold
hold
it.
it.
Wow, that was sad. Oh. Come out. Oh my gosh. I'm not made for this life, guys. There we go.
You got a shock on the other side. You gotta do that same bolt
No,
on
I
the other
didn't,
side.
I didn't even think about that.
All right, let's go to the other side. Same tools.
Hang on, I think it's out.
Okay. Like a general rule, I don't like to.
This? Tap this?
Yeah, I don't like to generally sit up inside of a wheel well like that, Isabel. If it's not on a lift. Like I've got a lot of protection here, but
Alright.
it's a pain. But
Oh my. Body fingers.
put it on there and then hit it with a hammer. There we go. It's going.
It's hard to keep on there.
Oh, there we go.
I don't want to hit my fingers.
All right, got it out. Okay, now we need to take the top ones off.
Oh, look at there. You got the girls working.
Uh-huh.
What does Rick say today?
Hi, Rick.
Rick says, glad to see the girls working.
Glad to see me working.
Give her the wrench, Dad. Does she know who George S. Patton is?
Okay, I've heard that name. Yeah,
But do you know?
guys. I mean,
George S. Patton.
sounds like a politician.
A general.
A general?
World War II.
WW2.
I thought it was like a politician. I've heard the name before.
One of the primary reasons we defeated Germany.
Say what you mean what you say.
Is that what his quote?
That's a quote from George S. Patton.
I've heard that quote.
Okay. That's history.
When in doubt, use force.
Right here?
Well, try to figure it out. So basically, it's pinched.
Bro,
Right
you
there.
just told me to figure it out.
Okay, here we go.
Do I have to get the other one out?
Wrong shock. Don't trust other people to work on your cars. Do it yourself. All right, Izzy. We gotta take your tires to the tire store.
What,
These guys right here. So let's start rolling them to the car.
They're like unique though.
Oh, they're unique. You want to keep them
Yeah.
as a trophy?
Wait, look at it go. Look at it go.
Wait, don't let it go off.
I'm not gonna let it go off, okay? My gosh.
Oh, you think you can lift that in there?
Damn! Yes, I can. Don't question my strength.
Girls get it done.
All right, and next week got another project on your truck coming up.
Like what?
New radiator. When that shows up,
desperately.
we're gonna do
What? 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 What's going on?
that. We're gonna grab just 2 new tires today. Discount tire right here. I'm just gonna sit back and watch you do it.
Bro, I'm gonna fracture my foot again. Remember that?
Well, don't do that. There we go, look at that. What did Rick said? Good to see the girls working. There we go.
I don't need a man.
Ah!
There we go.
Muscle that thing right out of there. Let's just go roll them over there by that welcome sign and just lay them flat over there.
My collar's blue and my neck is red type moment. Do you know that song?
My collar's blue and my neck is red.
Blue, my neck's red.
New shocks.
Any shocks?
Your new shocks. These should be the exact fit for your truck and
See how I
weight,
drive.
the range, everything. So we're gonna measure against that because one of the problems with those is they wouldn't compress enough was one of the problems, but the length should be different by a couple inches too. And it is 2 inches exactly, basically, like what we expected.
That made that much of a difference?
Yeah, because it forced it up. And so with the twin I-beams, that the tires were off. So these are the exact ones we need. Take one of these. It goes like that. Can you kind of see how it's going? That goes on top. This goes on bottom. Just like that. Now, we're going to put that in and then put that other piece on top of it and bolt it down. You put 2 nuts. You tighten the first one and the second one's a security nut that like holds it. So that goes underneath. That one goes on top. And then you'll have barely enough room to get a nut on it, and then you'll compress it and you'll try to get 2 on there if you can. But anyway, let's go, let's start with this one. Let's get it in whichever side the tools are on.
See that?
Yep. And then I can hold it there while you put the nut on the top. Whoop, you need this though.
First?
That's the old one. You want the new one.
Is it the right way or is it gonna unscrew it?
I made it the right way.
More?
Yeah. I thought the whole point was for her to do it. This part would be hard.
Yeah, geez, Eldon, get out of here.
Yeah.
Hey,
come
equal
on.
rights. You know, you gotta
So we
gotta
can
put in your
equal
work.
fight?
Yeah.
This, Isabel, will line up the hole.
Okay.
So. Lock washer.
Wait, why is it snap?
It's a lock washer. It creates tension.
It's supposed to be like that?
It's spring loaded and creates tension, and that way that keeps it actually undoing. Yeah. There you go.
I'm tired.
You're forgetting something.
What? Do I
That
put
goes
this on
on first.
after? It goes on first?
There's 2 of them.
Oh! My bad.
There you go. Yep.
I don't know where they go. Can't put them away. No.
Well, you're gonna help me.
But I don't know where they go. Like,
These 3 right here go in that Milwaukee box right there in that drawer that pulls out,
yeah.
and you'll see where they go.
Okay. More manual
I
labor.
think you have to grab that as well.
We support littering.
Yeah, you could not lift this. You could not lift this, Izzy. I gotta get Big Brother in there to help out. Get Big Brother to do the heavy lifting.
Yeah.
Yeah, make the men work. There's my sexist comment. Actually, that's not sexist. That's just true.
She can put them on now that it's up there, Elvin. Maybe just get the other tire in place so she can go from there.
Of course I can get it done. Wait, if I fail...
Going the wrong way.
Oh my gosh, I take back what I just said.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to drive my truck after this.
That's how you properly do it. So you don't lose your tires. It's a cost for each one.
Well, I thought it was gonna be easier actually. Not bad though. Tires are heavy though. I wouldn't have been able to balance it on like that without Elton. Probably not.
Look better?
A lot better. That one still seems a little bit cambered to me. We'll have to see how it goes.
So you're still seeing something wrong with the car?
Yeah, so one of them still seems a little bit too cambered. The shocks are the right size now.
Okay.
We had previously had an alignment shop. They may have made some adjustments on there
Awesome, thank you.
to try to counter those old shocks. So we're gonna take it back to them and check that out. All right. So, Izzy, you got your shocks changed and your new tires put on. How was it?
It was okay. I think I could have done better. I don't know. I've never done it. It was actually kind of fun.
It's kind of fun, yeah.
was
Would you
kinda
do
fun.
something like that again?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, I would. I would.
Okay. No, it was a lot of fun. So we solved a lot of the problems that were going on with the truck. We're gonna need it aligned tomorrow. But yeah,
Am I changing my radiator?
that is next on the list.
Okay.
Changing the radiator. You got a little leak in your coolant system as well. We got to take care of. So
Oh.
that is next. All right, guys, we're all done with Izzy's truck for today. So there's still a few things that it needs, like a new radiator. And if you'd like to see her do that, let us know in the comments. And yeah, that's it for today. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.